Hello everyone, here's a quick look at how India's clean energy journey progressed in the month of June 2026. Number 1. India became the world's second largest solar growth market. India has surpassed the US in annual solar capacity addition and becoming the world's second largest solar growth market after China. India has installed around 283 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel capacity and reflecting strong renewable energy growth in deployment. India added a record amount of non-fossil fuel capacity during the financial year 2025 to 2026, driven by utility-scale solar plant, rooftop solar installation and supportive government policies. These achievements bring India more closer to its ambitious target 500 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030. Number 2. Uttarakhand strengthened its renewable energy growth with new tariff order. Uttarakhand has retained its solar power tariff at Rs 4.1 for financial year 2026 to 2027, providing stability for solar developers and investors. The state has also revised battery energy storage system capacity charges, making energy storage projects more financially attractive. Lower storage costs are expected to encourage wider adoption of battery energy storage technology across the state. This move will help improve grid reliability while supporting the future of renewable energy growth. Number 3. Telangana promote agrivoltaics as a new income source of farmers. Telangana has launched a pilot agrivoltaic project that allows farmers to generate energy and grow crop on the same piece of land. This initiative is designed to create an additional source of income while maintaining agriculture productivity. Farmers can benefit from both crop cultivation and power generation to making the better use of available land. If successful, the model becomes the important tool for boosting rural income while expanding clean energy adoption. In other news, Rajasthan provided solar pumps nearly 29,000 farmers over the past year, helping promote clean energy adoption and sustainable practices across the state. India has identified around 102 gigawatt of floating solar potential, and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is planning a dedicated support scheme to accelerate deployment. Uttar Pradesh approved 57 power purchasing agreements under the PM Kusum Yojana to supporting agriculture further solarization and strengthening clean energy adoption across the rural areas. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more such videos.